Put your wiener in the glove. Yeah. It just fell off at the end there. Where's he out? Win the championship. One game. I just felt like I gotta figure out more. I gotta do more.
We played a big thing.
We'd have been on. I think his back kind of got I mean, they don't mess with you. You get used to normal bat and you have to switch things up. Good man, there was. Out of play.
No, what name is it? I want to give you credit.
That's a hard pill to swallow.
Come on, come get him. Come get him right here. Come back, all the way. All the way. Say hi. Say hi. Good, Sam. We got two. Right out there, Zell. What are you doing?
Blue, you terrible. You can't make any good calls.
Great softball IQ, Zell.
1 million IQ, Zell.
Hey, Colin, knock this down.
At least I ran off the game.
About 50 minutes.
Bitch.
For you, G!
Oh, Charles, come on!
Yeah.
Play! Come on,
Playing ball you stepped in cow shit. You stepped in.
That's a free good. Hey, don't slide. Don't slide.
Did you? Okay.
I was hoping the play was ice cream on the way going one of the balloons.
daddy look at you like, nah, I don't want to hear your mama.
What?
Look, I don't want to hear your mama. You get down here and you hurt yourself even more.
Easy. Put him up. They are in the 4-man. Beside it. Cut! Are you ready now?
Let's go, let's go.
Good job. That's okay. I don't know how to please calm back. Hey, bud. Thank you. Come on, man. You ready? Let's go, Ruth.
Watch the ball happen there too. You're playing with it all day, yeah?
Go with it.
Now we're talking to him. Take it easy, man.
Corn dogs for everybody. You can eat 2? And 2 bites? Hey, and 2 bites? Same time.
Don't tempt him, he'll do
Hey,
it.
hey, we'll just get you one of them Texas corn dogs. Yeah, there you go. I'll take it off the stick. Sure will. Not it. Just dog.
Hey, ask him how many
Get the one you want.
Oh, I bet. Strike!
Hey, you ready?
Full. Hands out of here. Combat.
Somebody needs to check his ranking.
He's gonna buy one of those tonight.
Yeah, he's gonna buy the rodeo version tonight.
Oh, AJ! You're a bitch.
I wasn't going anywhere.
Hey, why don't tell him early too?
Motherfucker was 4 foot inside the baseline going down there.
Hit it hard, Heyman.
Let's go, Hayden.
He didn't bring it.
Strike. Hey, Dante, if you come back down here, will you bring me a water with you?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Damn, I asked Timmy for a water 15 fucking minutes ago.
So he got a water now.
Timmy, you burn! Fucking Timmy Shooter right there.
Oh! Hey, you like your job.
Hey, I got jobs to do. You ain't going
I got jobs. Oh, crazy. You are not that guy.
How selfish to try to hit it out.
Go!
Who? Put it on.
Nothing.
Let's go, Q.
Hey, 1 down. Thank you, Dante.
I got 1.
I like this. You got 1? Let's go, Q. Come here, Heyman. Easy, Heyman. That's a great pace, Q. Pick me up. Attaboy. Great job, guys.
Hey, they're over there. You...
Line drive. Corner.
Second.
That's a good base hit.
Hey, Fair, save one for me.
Well, there's only one out, so if I make two with nobody on base, I quit.
I scared the shit out of
Had to go get a coffee. Yeah, he got off.
Tough now, let me hear it.
Runner on one.
Wait, can I move? I don't want to
Trouble. Switch him up. Oh yeah. Come on. Good boy. That's all good.
Let's try to stay over there.
Oh yeah.
Get down there.
Good boy. Oh, his arm's so strong. Noodle. Gary, look long. Look go. Go, kid. Get out of here, boy. On pull. Come on, man.
Oh, God, he hit my leg.
Hit that one.
Rush back.
You do that like 4 times a game.
Rush back.
Get off this plate.
He took my corn dog.
Good, attaboy.
Sunday to do that.
One spot.
If you guys go to
No.
Oh, yeah. 3-0, right?
Yeah.
Ball 4.
Yeah.
Good pitch, Matt. Ball 4. Shit. Why'd you fucking swing? Let's go, kid. Here you go. That man wants to hit.
No.
Oh, yeah. Great job. Oh, kid.
Oh, good pace, good pace. Need a ball. Hey, Lou, I'm over here. I didn't leave. Oh, you guys won't get that. My bad, B.
Like I said.
Nothing you can do about it. Not a thing.
Like I said, why can't I say call play? Because we're us. Welcome to the club. Yeah, it happened every game. Mike, you would be on your shit.
Hands! Not even in the game no more.
They're literally.
Yeah, I saw that. Attaboy. There you go.
Score character.
Swing combat, KP.
And he said, toes were on the plate when he hit that ball.
Yeah, his back heel is standing on the field.
You just can't come across him.
Come on, Rube, good job. Come on, Taylor.
I couldn't tell from where it decided it.
Front up.
instead of just setting it on the bleachers.
Hey, Ruby, can you teach me how to do that? That ball is down. Can I? Can you teach me that, big man?
That's the plan. Don't run out of balls, y'all can't play anything.
That's fine.
Timmy, need another dozen.
He said, Timmy,
Gotta be super duper. I ain't got none of them hardcores, cuz.
Run my ass through Cabby scores first.
I was just asking.
Outside,
Tell him Chaz and Run don't go in the same sentence.
Yeah, right?
Hey, that's a great eye there, AJ. That's great. He's played up from all over. I've never seen it. That's boys. Okay, Dings.
Good job, big player.
Peachy strawberry. Well, I'm gonna smack fire. I'm not changing. Might as well do it. Okay, you just hit a backside home run, bowling through. That's a beat. He really like, yeah, like.
Hey, whatever you want here, drive it. Got one left.
Don't let her. That's them why they wouldn't put him on my roster last time.
Here, look. Here, super cool. One more. I'll even write your name on it.
That's all of them. They ain't got no more.
It says anyway. That's in here. Oh yeah! Quarterback error!
No.
That 100% is 4-back error, though.
But you do not have to run the
that's
bases.
okay.
Yes, I'm aware what it is.
Okay.
You do not have to run.
Yeah, you tell them, man.
Thank God, we didn't want to watch that anyway. But it would have looked good.
But man, I damn sure thought Heyman was about to come out and kick
Right.
that ball.
Somebody told me they changed the rule where you got to actually
They shouldn't just let it go.
change the trajectory now, which he did. He did change.
Well, right, yeah, but they changed it. You don't have to run no more.
Chaz has got a hit for
It's cool. He's fast and hits the ball hard. He's about to use the last one.
Strike!
Yeah, that shit's never happened in my life.
Got one!
Why couldn't he change it before he caught my ball? They gave a slip.
Come on, Chaz.
I will.
Chaz gave me the first
That tree out there.
I fed you and let you fall asleep on my couch while
Those
the
geese.
That'd be a shot.
Boom!
Under the Ohio State Bruce. Not now.
You can get them now if you want to.
Ew.
Yes, 100%. We got excited when Duke called. That is a good piece.
Go two.
Lord, no, don't tell him that. He's good.
He said when y'all went go-kart riding.
I'm going to walk there. Got two on that.
I'm not going anywhere. I don't want to.
I was standing halfway through first with the ball be at center.
Where you at here?
Left!
Sit down.
Emma! Get one hot dog!
Didn't say how you get my dog.
What? Hot dog!
Stop, two down.
Hey, base it, don't do work. Come on, base it, don't do work.
Ketchup!
Play.
Right.
Hey, you here easy. Easy.
Spencer. Boy.
Storehouse.
Runner.
We should put a guy right now. He's about to do the same thing.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Trouble.
Holy
He caught one!
Thank you! Yes, sir! Look up!
Great run, yes, sir. You got to stretch.
That's the first ball that Alan's caught. Give it to him.
Hey, bud.
I don't know. Do that.
21.
Gary just swung at the same time. Come on. Good job.
That's the second version. No, that's the third version.
See how far this is.
It's gonna go back your way in the tree.
Yeah, I really hope
Switch them up.
so. He missed one.
Yeah, leave it alone.
You don't really want no problem. You don't really want no problem.
Now, earlier I couldn't.
You don't really want no problem.
Good tonight. No, ours wouldn't got to get If I got it, I can do it.
Pop always comes like a load for me.
Wait, you said he was gonna get it.
Good idea.
See, Joe.
Emails like flat short. And then the next one, I mean, I argue the next one, do the same pitch. I was like, fuck, I'm swinging. I chopped it. I fast tail, but I ain't gonna say that.
I know he does. He just sits at the desk and plays. You know, they be bullying.
Good play, short.
You don't really want no problem. You don't really want no problem.
You got short hard, hit her.
You don't really want no problem. You don't really want no problem.
You talk a lot of shit for somebody who doesn't say anything.
Which one?
Oh, hit the kid.
You hit the kid.
You hit the kid.
You hit the kid. You hit a child.
I got it. Everyone does it.
Right
If you don't fight
there.
AJ, I'll turn my back. Hey, backside here. One camera. Sit. Side it. Just miss. Just miss. Just miss. It is. Come on.
Not normal. Pretty normal.
Triple if you're running.
Triple and zap in the same set. I got you.
You ain't getting very many trips. Andy, that comic hit one out.
He did.
Finally.
I don't believe it.
No, I've been hitting absolutely terrible, so I'm like, I got nothing to lose.
I'm trying to find it. It's just so different.
Great job!
Way to respect the game, hey, man. Good job.
Hey, watch your face, Matt.
I know, man.
Don't run from it. I promise it's not intentional. I just saw it.
I already got pooper today.
Hey, 37 off the bell seems like 97.
It's definitely very slow. Easy.
Stay back.
You're killing it 100 miles an
Get
hour.
ready for another.
I ain't played since I was actually.
He's probably wrecking for you if we're being honest.
Honestly, I ain't played in so long.
Strike!
What do you put in your frosted flakes?
Ice. Ice.
What the hell was that? Hey, I need a clip of that, please. Let's do 3-2. What do you put? It's going to be used against him. Don't ever try that.
I put ice in my milk. That's dead. You've been on me way too long. Way too long. But when people start talking like that, they either been in the military or they've been in prison.
Yep.
So, I mean.
Yeah, what you got to say about his glasses now, AJ? Tom, he didn't have shit to say about your glasses that time.
Catch up.
Prescription.
No cheese in Nutella.
Can I get a run for 2 outs?
Nope.
Y'all do it. I ain't been on base all day.
No, I'll be sharing those.
Wait.
No, I tell you, you get a piece of ham and you put an onion with green cheese.
You said onion and nope, we're good. Ham and onion. What the heck?
And cream cheese.
Ugh. Inside. What? Oh.
Something you've never been.
All right, coach.
Yeah.
I got 2 kids to say otherwise.
Shane and little Shane.
They're both girls.
Well, I mean, that still passes the bill.
No. Don't you ever disrespect my kids like that.
I was disrespecting them, calling them girls.
Hey, 2 bases in 1.
Levi, what is this, T-ball?
I went for 11.9. I'm 3. Hey.
I said, I'm about to go that way.
Oh, go right ahead.
No, I know.
Come on, Ferris.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know that he can actually run
Hell, man, that's exactly right.
Let's go, babe.
Huh? Good eye.
No bread. No bread. No sodas. Lots of water.
Hey, that's your out.
Hey, that's your out.
Step, up and fit.
Let's run the ball.
2-2, gotta be.
Good ball. That's nowhere near where you think. My bad.
He tried.
Come on, Ferris.
Don't tell me.
Hey, good spot, Ferris. They couldn't get to it.
Hey, wait a half second.
What was that?
Hey, wait on it to get to you. Yeah, Holly.
Good eye. Oh, that's
Going out of my book. I thought the hell out of that thing.
Pitch. Knock it.
He tried to hit the ball out.
That's that Alex Rodriguez.
Oh, she's at the pass yard.
I've seen the kill and crazy one. I ain't seen that one.
Pitch. Swing.
beat him to the ground. I thought it bounced into his glove. Sorry, I'm blocking. That sucks. Probably not.
Let's go, kid. Come on, kid. Come on, Early, you good? Sit back, kid. If you're going to do that, I'll stand over here and call.
My God. Hey, do it again. One more time. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Right there. Right there. Oh, okay. I'll swing it. That's good. I could have done my head.
Get on the bag, Hunter. Got two.
Fuck the nigga who was last hit. That ended my vessel, whatever my grab, just like a nigga wearing glasses. Nigga sucking in the mask. I'm throwing on this round jack. Am I thinking that shit is so crazy?
I'll fire. Oh, okay.
They got the last
Run!
5.
Okay.
Oh! You gotta walk that. No!
I should have thought we were down by 22. Felt like it.
Let's go, Bill. Come on, kid. Up! Oh! Switch him up! Good eye. None of it. Strike. Oh. Great chase. Carrie? Damn, Carrie! Get in one!
He retired to run.
Hey, you get on ball. After Rudy hit Ball game.
Ball game.
Well, we saved the ball.
Guys, you're going up. You're going up to 2. Stay up there. Timmy! Are we going up or is coming down? Then don't give me a message. You're staying here. 5 minutes ago he said, we're going to 2. I'm like you, I got bass in my voice, I can't hear you.